Okay pa.
Tara.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so for the
Last
video
cycle.
purposes ulit, let's all introduce ourselves sa non-existent crowd natin. Okay, I'm Eta. Ito, Coaster.
Non-existent crowd. Tara. Okay. Let's go.
What's up? What's up, YouTube? My name is Harris. I like to raise girls, and I like you.
Wow.
Wow.
Sa not mid-race attempt.
Failed.
Fuck you.
Yeah, ako na mag-introduce. Yeah, it's me, Ezio. I play various video games and I also do some computer shits. I play Tekken. I main King. I wrestle enemies to death and I wrestle your girlfriend on bed.
Oh.
Wow!
And bro loves to watch Tug
Shit,
Hunter.
Kashamin.
Bro loves to watch Tug
Tug
Hunter.
Hunter!
Yeah.
You can think Din about that. Kasi kay Din ko nakita yun.
That is
Fuck. Did you see the Tug Hunter video? Pinakita ba sa'yo ni Kuya Harry?
Yes, unfortunately.
That's the best video ever. I introduce pala.
What's cracking? My name is Lad. I came from not here in the Philippines and a crippling gambling addict.
Aren't we all? Aren't we all?
Actually, gambling talaga. Hindi Genshin. Hindi Genshin.
Hindi
Actually, joking.
Actually.
Like money involved.
Yes.
Oh shit.
Yeah. You will like the content of
Severe.
the vloggers in the Philippines love to gamble.
But yeah, that's pretty much how I roll with this fucked up ass country. Just gamble.
Oh shit.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, just kidding. I usually just work out every other day, and
Damn. Gamble.
daydream.
That's
Sounds
That's
damn-
it's not gambling addiction, it's called winner's mentality.
Oh, yeah, hell yeah, bro.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Alright.
You want some genuine tips kung magiging content creator ka or streamer? You have to be schizophrenic. Magpapretend ka na may audience ka, mag-ano ka ng you're gonna pretend that you have an audience
Facts.
for quite some time. Kung hindi mo kayang gawin yun, by the time that your audience actually arrived, or nakita ka na ng potential audience mo, you cannot entertain them because you have no idea why. Okay? Then,
Can I say the N-word?
Don't say the N-word, please. You're gonna get my fucking
Um,
YouTube channel banned, man.
I'm gonna say Nick.
Ano ka ng YouTube dyan?
I'm gonna say
No.
Nick.
Madadali ka ng YouTube
Stop
dyan,
saying
no?
the N-word. No.
Sorry, the Nick, the guy. Okay, so we got Nicolas Cage, okay?
Nicolas Cage.
Okay.
We haven't even started yet. Okay.
Nakwento ko,
game, bro.
Kay Harry yung yung couple ID natin.
Ay, oo, putik. Di pa.
ID?
Oo. So basically, katarataduan namin sa yung picture ni Sean Xavier at Spencer Reed, which is yung dalawa. Nag-print kami sa bond paper, tapos nilagay namin sa ID namin. Tapos couple ID. Oo, parang couple DP, pero in real life.